Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to turn off hardware acceleration Discord. So guys, if you ever wondered to turn off the hardware acceleration on Discord, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Discord into your computer. Now, if you want to turn it off, go through the settings. So you can go to the settings by going to the gear icon over here, which is the user settings. And now from here, you will have multiple options. Just scroll down and you will have an option over here, app settings. So make sure to find this category. And now over here, go for the advanced option at the very last, which is the three dots. Now from here, as you can see, hardware acceleration uses your GPU to make Discord smoother, and by turning this off if you are experiencing visual problems. So click on the toggle button and you will have here a pop-up that you are now changing the hardware acceleration, and you will just simply select change and restart, and it will relaunch the Discord application, and now you have turned it off. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all, and see you in the next video.